I chose Kawasaki for my apprenticeship because of the size of the company. It's worldwide and I could go anywhere. From a young age I've been breaking stuff, repairing it, and nuts and bolts are my thing.
I was drawn to a career in engineering due to the opportunities and the potential to progress in my career. The apprenticeship program here at Kawasaki is really good. We get to gain skills in some of the different departments within the company and just build as a person and gain new skills that can add to the value of the company.
The program is brilliant. They offer such a wide range of qualifications, including college. You do your NVQs, but you also get a lot of hands-on work inside the factory as well. Machining, a lot of manual CNC, a lot of computer-based programming, designing. There's a lot to do.
The reason I chose to do an apprenticeship with Kawasaki was to be part of a leading global brand that's renowned for its quality and precision.